Hello, this is a tutorial on how to implement the deadly zombie code from TechLeg. Now, some people have problems with it or just can't get it working, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so what you want to do is first get the UC files and copy and paste. Wait, let this load a little. Alright, copy and paste it here like that, you know. Copy and paste the code and then save it as a, like, let's say I wanted to save, let's say this, right, save, you would save as, and you would put Unreal Script. Now you're gonna need a highlighter for context, so you just go, if you don't have it, go on the internet, put Unreal Script highlighter context, and you'll find it there, and then it'll tell you how to do it. So save it as an Unreal Script file, right, and when you have that, put the two UC files in your game folder. So go here, development, source, this is my game folder, classes, and as you see, I have them here, the bot and the pawn. So we're basically all set. We have to compile it, full recompile, and front end. And make sure you don't have a UDK open. Close it before you do this. Just wait a little. I don't know why it's taking so long. Alright, so I finished. And we can go ahead and open UDK now. Now this is where it gets kind of confusing for some people, because they have other versions of UDK and probably, I don't know, each little detail they change in each version. So if you don't have it, I'm sorry, you're not gonna be able to do it. But if you do, just follow this. Alright, so once you get UDK open, you know, you can go ahead and open your level if where you want to place the AI, whatever, and then go to your active classes. Now, for some reason, I don't really know why the reason is, but all I know, when I put AIs, or I put UC files for like AI, like a bot or something, it always puts in the uncategorized section. Right, you see test zombie pawn. But if you don't want to be, if you're lazy, you know, like I am, just type zombie in the search bar right here, right there, and you'll see it. Now I'm gonna make a quick brush here, just to place we can lock on. Alright, so we have our brush, and then all you gotta do is drag it on where you want it. Now don't do anything else, just press F4. Now you have this, and you're gonna get something like this. There's gonna be a lot of tabs here. So what you wanna do first is open pawn. Alright? Then what you wanna do is open up mesh under pawn. And you're gonna, this is closed, but then you wanna open skeletal mesh component, and you get all of these things right here. Now as you see, by default there's no skeletal mesh on here, because it says none here, so we gotta add one. So just go to content browser, skeletal meshes, and I'm gonna pick up the iron guard and place it in the skeletal mesh section and put it in. And as you see right there, hey, there he is. So basically, if you go on ahead and close the properties and play the game, build the AI, build the path, and play it, it's basically gonna do is just, if you shoot at it, it's gonna come to you. And that's what it's gonna do. But you want animations, because all it's gonna do is gonna float. Like I'll show you real quickly here. Because like, if you're like me, I always, once I get things done, I always skip to the end. I never listen to the person really doing it. Alright, so basically what it's gonna do is do this. See how he's like floating in air, midair, and just took damage from me too. So if you want animations, all you gotta do is open up the properties again, and where it says animations, no, sorry, wait. Alright, no, in the search bar, I don't want to look for it right now. Type anim, and you should see right here, under mesh, under pawn mesh, skeletal mesh, anim sets, and there's 0, there's nothing there. So press a little add new item, and look for an atom set. And for this one, you're gonna need the K atom human base metal. Place it in there. Now you want to put if you want to use it, you know, you're gonna need a physics asset. Where is it? Physics assets right here. You're gonna need one. This is basically when I'm not really into it right now, but it causes like your mesh to like the shadow's not really good, so you gotta look for a physics asset. Like if you're doing like custom characters, you gotta put a sorry, I forget physics assets right here, and there should be, you should get the one. This one, SK Shadow Mesh character corrupt male physics. Just put it in there, and you see the shadows. You see a difference in the shadows. Take it out. See how it changes the shadows. So that's what we want, better shadows. I'll play it look the best. So now we're basically ready to. It's gonna work now. See, since we put animations idle right now until we shoot at it, it's gonna run to me and look at my health bar. There we go, 0. And if you want to really kill you, there's this website, something like this. It goes Mowgli, Mougili portfolio, and it tells you how to script the damage for this. Well, it doesn't tell you, especially for this, but it gives you an idea how to do it. So this basically sums it up. The AI, and if you kill it, it disappears. Like, it doesn't like. I killed it. There we go. It fell. That's a physics asset right there. Because if you didn't put it, it would stand up. This might disappear. Well, it didn't disappear, but yeah. But that's where your physics asset comes from. When it dies, it falls like nothing. So this concludes the tutorial. And sorry for me talking too much, but I just like to get everything out. Because if I miss a little detail, it might mess you up. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something here.